Hello there. Based on our learning from previous videos, let's take up a table exercise. You have table 1 and table 2 before you. I want to make table 1 look like table 2. Why? Look at table 2. The column seems to be very well distributed, even spacing. The text seems to be center aligned, and the entire look is very standardized. So let us see what are the tricks involved to make table 1 look like table 2. Now table 1 is an old table. I would want to add one more manufacturing unit under Mumbai column. So first thing I would like to do is split these 3 cells with one more column to the right. So I've chosen all the 3 cells. I go to layout and I look for split cells item. I click on split cells and it asks me how many number of columns you want. I said 2 is fine enough. Number of rows is 3 because you have chosen 3 cells. I press OK. Now notice somehow the data points have been merged. Why did that happen? Let's go back one step. Ctrl Z. I choose the 3 cells again. Go to split cells. And this time I will uncheck the mark which is put against merged cells before split. And I press OK. Aha, this is what I wanted. Now I'm going to insert the text unit 2. Put the numbers 55, 15. So the relevant data has been added. Now next, I make sure the second column's border is shifted a little on the right so that I get enough space to show the description of the text. Next, I choose the entire block of text. I go to layout and I find this center aligned. I click on it. Notice how easily all the text seems to be aligned. Now I choose this aspect of the table and I choose left align. This looks better. I'll choose relevant data points and make it bold. So for example, these two, Control B. These couple of the headings, Control B. Next, what is missing? Maybe I wanted to add more area to the description column, and thereby I would want equal distribution amongst the remaining columns. So how do I do that? Let's see. I choose these 9 cells. I go to layout and I say distribute columns. Fine enough. Then I just move the headings border a little on the right and it attaches itself to the edge of the border of the next row. I release the cursor. So these were all tricks on split cells, distribute columns. Before I conclude, let me just show one final trick. I'm placing my cursor at the last cell and I press tab key. Tab, tab. So I want a total in these 3 cells. How do I get it? I just click on an icon. I click on the cell, I click on the icon, I click on the cell, I click on the icon. Whoa, isn't it great? You don't have to go to Excel and add the numbers and again copy paste the numbers here. If there is a change, let's say 21, you can simply select and click on the button again. So let me show this trick in the next video.